Alright, here's my 2009 Pontiac G8 GT. Bought it as a little project car, just something fun to cruise around with the family. But the suspension is a little too low. Completely bottomed out pretty much and rides like shit. Other than that, runs pretty good. Needs some cosmetic on the front here. I already ordered the other hood scoop. The wicker bill on the back is broken here, so I'm debating if I want to try to buy another one or see if I could fix that. Overall, the interior is pretty good shape. Leathers are good. The door handles need to be fixed, and there's a couple spots in the headliners that could be redone. But other than that, the interior is pretty good. The center trim ring, of course, was all busted, but I've got another one of those on order already. And there's some electrical issues. So the windows don't roll down. It's already blown one fuel pump relay. And sometimes the door locks don't work. The only one that works is the driver's door on a regular basis. So, already had the cold air intake on it. The previous owner that I bought it from didn't know too much about the car. The only thing he did was take the inner fenders out of the front and put the 18-inch VMRs on here, but he didn't even know what size the wheels were or anything like that. Already had the Cook's headers straight piped into Cook's mufflers, so there's no cats. But it does drone a little bit, so I think I will put some cats back on it, see if I can take care of that drone. Other than that, pulls hard, shifts good, just rides like shit because the suspension's bottomed out.